Now, as we all know that the protest called by the truck drivers has been called off, and this has been possible because of a dialogue between the All India Truck Transport Corporation or Congress and the government. And the government has given them an assurance that the provision or the contentious provision regarding Section 106 Clause 2 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita will be looked into before being implemented. So, the whole issue is with respect to hit and trial or hit and run case regarding rash and negligent driving. Now, under the IPC, the punishment has been provided up to 2 years, but under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, this punishment has been increased up to 10 years. So, there has been severe increase in punishment with respect to imprisonment. Second aspect is the fine of up to rupees 7 lakhs. So, the truck drivers claim that first of all the imprisonment is too much, and the second point highlighted by them is the issue of mob lynching. Now, some of the truck drivers have highlighted that during such rash and negligent driving accident cases which results in death of some person, at times these truck drivers are not at fault, and despite that they have to face the rage of the public, and at times they are even lynched. So, the another issue is with respect to lynching of such truck drivers, which may be possible that they are not at fault. So, the question is that in such a case or in such an incident, when such an accident has happened, how to determine who is at fault, and it becomes very tricky in such cases. So, there is a need to define what exactly amounts to rash and negligent driving under Section 106 Clause 2 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, along with certain facilities for the truck drivers also, because ultimately in such accidents it's possible that they are even injured. So, just imagine in such a case, such a truck driver who is also injured is also beaten up because of public rage or public anger. So, all these modalities has to be looked into before this law is implemented. Now, the very noble intention to add Section 106 Clause 2 in the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita was that these cases will reduce, because it is sort of a deterrent theory that if you increase the punishment, then such activities or such accidents might reduce. But the idea is not only to increase the punishment, but also to improve the infrastructure. So, on one hand, yes, the idea or the intention is very noble, that to reduce such instances of rash and negligent driving, but at the same time the modalities or the implementation process has to be looked into. Or how do we define rash and negligent driving, or what are the after effects with respect to such accidents also needs to be taken care of.